Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss about hydrogen bonding. What do you mean by hydrogen bonding? Hydrogen bond can be defined as the attractive force which binds hydrogen atom of one molecule with the electronegative atom of another molecule. For example, in HF molecule, hydrogen bond exists between hydrogen atom of one molecule and fluorine atom of another molecule. We know in hydrogen fluoride, fluorine is highly electronegative, so it attracts the shared pair of electron towards itself. Due to this attraction, fluorine acquire a partial negative charge and hydrogen acquire a partial positive charge. Same like this, second HF molecule also acquire partial positive and partial negative charge. And hydrogen bond is formed between the hydrogen of one molecule with the fluorine atom of another molecule. Here it is represented by using a dotted line. Here you can see the fluorine of the first molecule is del negative, the hydrogen of second molecule is del positive, and this negative and positive will attract, and this attraction, this type of force of attraction is called hydrogen bonding. In hydrogen bonding, one of the element is always hydrogen. Second element can be any electronegative element, mainly fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen. In HF, the electronegative element is fluorine. For example, in water, the electronegative element is oxygen. In ammonia also, there is a chance of hydrogen bonding. In ammonia, the hydrogen atom of one NH3 will make a hydrogen bond with the nitrogen of second NH3. Okay. Already said, the hydrogen bond we can represent by using dotted line, and here the solid line present between hydrogen and F represent covalent bond. Types of hydrogen bond. There are mainly two types of hydrogen bond: intermolecular hydrogen bond and intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. It is formed between two different molecules of the same or different compounds. For example, the hydrogen bonding present in HF molecules. HF molecules already I explained. Now another example is the hydrogen bond present in water molecules. Let's see the picture given here. The hydrogen bond is formed between two water molecules. The first molecule, oxygen, is del negative and hydrogen is del positive. In second molecule also, hydrogen is del positive and oxygen is del negative. Then there is a force of attraction created between oxygen atom of first molecule and hydrogen atom of second molecule, and this attraction is called hydrogen bond. Okay, here hydrogen is form bond with the electronegative oxygen on the first molecule. Okay, like that the oxygen present on the second molecule can form hydrogen bond with the hydrogen present on the third molecule. Clear? And here the force of attraction is between molecule, and like this hydrogen bonding is called intermolecular hydrogen bond. What do you mean by intramolecular hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bonding within a molecule. Okay, hydrogen bonding is not formed between the molecule here. The hydrogen bond formed within a molecule. For example, nitrophenol. In nitrophenol, the oxygen present on nitrogen form hydrogen bond with the hydrogen present on OH. Okay, you can see that representation in the example. The dotted line is represented between oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen is del positive, oxygen present on nitrogen is del negative. Like this, hydrogen bonding is called intramolecular hydrogen bond.